Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can play the classic commands tutorial in eFootball 2024 so you can learn the match commands in this feature. So I made this video for beginner that's still new into this game, eFootball 2024. So you can challenge the event, complete the mission and get ton of rewards from this game. Well, let's get started by tapping the extras, tap the training, and tap this command tutorial. So this is the classic commands tutorial. There are some tutorial here. For example, let's try to tap the shot. So in this training mode, you can press the shot button to practice. For example, like this, and press hold and to perform shot like this. So please learn this command tutorial to master the game. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.